Hey guys, welcome back. And recently, a couple days ago, we just hit 150 subscribers on this YouTube channel. So, before we get into this video, I just wanted to thank everybody who watches my videos and subscribes to my channel for doing just that. Well, anyway, in celebration of 150 subscribers, we are going to be lighting 6 light bulbs and 1 fluorescent light fixture. So we have 3 CFLs, 3 incandescents, and 1 fluorescent tube that we're going to be watching turn on all at the same time. Some of these bulbs you may recognize from previous videos of mine, and some of these are completely new. You've never seen them before. So I'll just go ahead and go through them real quick. So, starting on the left, we have a Satco Per 30 CFL bulb. It's got a helical tube in there, and it's resonant start. I haven't made a video of that bulb yet, so, but I did make a video of a bunch of resonant start CFLs turning on, and this bulb was featured in that video, so I'll put a card up for that. I'll put cards up for all of the videos I have for these bulbs, any that have videos, so you'll be able to watch them if you want. Next up, we have a Lights of America electronic PL adapter. It's 13 watt, and it's resonant start. And that was one of the first bulbs I ever made a video of. I think it was the 4th video I ever made, so you've definitely seen that before. Next, we have a Dammer 4100K candle-shaped CFL bulb. It's got a helical style tube in there, and the way it starts up is really weird. It like flickers a little bit and then it comes on. I don't know, it's really weird. I don't know what you call that. If anybody knows, then feel free to let me know. But anyway, there's that bulb. Here we have a GE 4 watt clear nightlight bulb. I haven't made an actual video of it, but it was featured in a thrift store trip that I recorded a video of, so I'll put that card up. So, yeah. And then here we have another bulb that I made a video of pretty early on. It's a GE 15 watt A15 soft white incandescent bulb, and yeah, so there's that. Then up here we have a American ultra long life 10,000 hour 69 watt traffic signal bulb. So that's pretty cool. This one's clear and it has a nice C-shaped filament. It's a very high quality bulb. And then back here, hiding behind these, we have a Lampy 15 watt fluorescent strip light. It's preheat and it's pretty old. I made a video of it very recently. In fact, it's my most recent video as of the time of recording this. So, of course, there'll be a card up for that as well. Has a GE F15T12 warm white bulb in it. It's vintage too. It's very nice. And I have all of this plugged into one power strip, so we will be able to turn the switch on and have them all come on at the same time. So, yeah. Let's see here. I wonder how many watts this is. 140 watts, I think. altogether for this. Of course, I'm not counting in the equivalents for the CFLs and the fluorescent, but you get the gist of it. Well, anyway, we'll go ahead and turn off the light. I know that's not all the lights. I'm too lazy to go turn the rest off. So, we're just going to turn them on like this. Well, we'll go ahead and turn them on in 3, 2, 1. And there you go. 140 watts of lights turning on at the same time. Let's do that again. Of course, only the lights of America and the lampy fixture turn on slowly again. The rest turn on instantly. You can see the difference of colors. 2700K, 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 4100K, 3000K. That's a lot of 2700K. Well, anyway, we'll turn it off. Back on. Nice. Yeah, I think the CFLs are warmed up now. Turn down the exposure so you can see this a little bit better. Pretty cool. Turn it back up. I'll zoom in on some bulbs, I suppose. No, I'm not trying to mess with the exposure. I'm trying to zoom in. There we go. There's that bulb. Zoom back out. I'll zoom in on those bulbs. I like clicking the little plus and minus on my zoom thing. Does a nice gradual zoom in and out, kind of like on a real camera, but of course this is just my phone. I'll zoom in on the Satco. That was not zooming in on the Satco. There we go. Lower the exposure so you can see the tube in there maybe a little bit better. There we go. There's the lights of America and the dimmer. So yeah. Pretty cool. Well, we'll turn them off. And turn them on one more time. Awesome. Well, we'll turn it off one more time and then turn the light back on. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short little video celebrating 150 subscribers. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. Don't forget to leave a comment. Until next time.